Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. I'm Gary. This is part 2. Basically what we did is we're going to be cutting up an eggplant. We're going to add gluten-free cracker powder on top of it to kind of give it a nice crust. We're going to use a chia seed binder. We're going to show you that in pieces. And this is just going to be a really short film so that you see another way that you can use gluten-free crackers that has a breading. Okay, so let's get started.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
So part 2, what we did is we cut the eggplant much thicker than what I did when I used a casserole dish. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to coat these in a combination of chia seeds for the binder, and we're going to also use our Wasa gluten-free sesame and sea salt Crispbread, which we grind down to this, and we'll be coating them on top. So that's what the plan is. So now what we're doing, Linda right now over here is cutting the big pieces of eggplant that we also got from our friends who are growing this in their backyard. So this is going to be the crumb area. We decided to put it in a much bigger dish than last time. Over here, this is the chia seeds are all grounded up. What I'm doing right here is I am grinding more crumbs. See right there? And this comes from this package, of course, which makes it gluten-free. Here we have one set all cut up here, and Linda did a beautiful job of cutting these giant 1-inch slices, all ready to go in the oven. Right there?
Yeah, the more even you cut them, the more evenly they bake.
Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to finishing up the crumb and the chia seed, which is our binder, and then we're going to dip
Add
them.
a little garlic salt and Italian seasoning into our crumbs to flavor it.
Yes, we'll do that too, so you'll be able to see that real quick. And here we've got a tablespoon, and we've got right here some Italian seasoning, and we're going to toss that upside down. We're going to use that right now. So here's the binder, and this is what it looks like now with the added Italian seasoning and garlic salt. And next what you do is really simple. We just take a nice big one like this one here. You just stick it in there like that. You open it. Okay, we might need more water. And then you stick it over here. And you see how I did here is what you want. And then we'll put it on the other side. So we'll do one more. And then stick it on here, and it'll be perfect. Okay, so now this is all done right here. This is all we had left. So Linda has already set the oven at 350 degrees, and we're gonna open it up. We're gonna put it in the middle rack. See, this is totally different than when I did the marinara sauce and let it cook in the marinara sauce. Here this time we're cooking the eggplant with the gluten-free coating, and then what we're going to do is add the marinara sauce to the top of it. Okay, so now we're going to set the timer. An hour, honey?
Yeah, well, it's set for 45 minutes. So
Okay.
check in 45 minutes.
So you see, 45 minutes, and now it's starting to go down. Alright, so we'll see you in a few minutes. We got to clean up the kitchen. Now what I'm doing is defrosting the marinara sauce that we all made. By now you should have seen this video, and if you haven't, you should check it out. It's about 3 parts on how to make homemade marinara sauce from my own tomatoes that grew in my garden. I froze these in 1-quart bags for easy use, just for a quick dinner like tonight. Oh, there goes TJ. Well, the timer rang, so we're going to get a fork. Walk over to the oven. They look like they're ready. This only took 45 minutes to go. All right, I'm going to turn off the oven and pull it out. So we just pulled it out. I forgot to mention, turn off the oven. So now we have to get this sauce warm. A happy family eating eggplants together. What more can a person ask for?
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.